to call me. Oh, I am. Wow.
What?
I'm there.
So, I give him that thing there.
Which thing?
That thing there.
Which thing that?
The thing.
Tell me which thing you're talking about now. Stop going so long. I'm not thing yet. I was going to get a fool now. Which thing?
That thing there now, yo.
In a way. Say I come feed now.
Yeah. You follow me go supermarket.
Alright. Now get ready.
Alright. Soon come.
Camera, action, start it. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican talk it. We get a couple million now we on at the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money? Me da buy a house, a car. Me the girls them honey, but that's a if I probably a when. Or if you get lucky, it really all depends on me and me crew. We better than me and me crew. They say we better than me and me crew. They say we better than me. We are them other man. Yes, we are them other man. Waiting for you. Hey, so them a shopping up foreign and can't look better than you. Don't go shopping, don't go shopping. Them shop at New York, Paris and London still a get two. Don't go shopping, don't go shopping. You buy one uptown, downtown, say you woulda get few. Don't go shopping, don't go shopping. And when you step out the road, them swear say you're muggling crew. Don't go shopping, them a road. Where you put on your downtown boot and your hairstyle they were well cute. Man no stop, them a toot. Cause you know downtown man a true. And when you want by the dopey eyelash and the sweet perfume body wash.
Yeah, no. I just love what you walk.
Really?
Really.
You never said I'm something, oh Jesus. Oh, I just never set up my head.
Just the way you talk, I give me a problem.
What you say?
Nothing, baby.
Oh, come I think you said like I just the way man.
No, man. That's some mackerel me I talk about. Yes, bring salmon.
You mean that's a girl? Hey, I can cook up this now with some scotch bonnet or a little tongue caramel or some caramel dumpling, whichever one you want, you know.
Real?
Junior, they're real wife material, you know. Actually, they don't know. It's them uptown girl we are part with. None of them can wash like me. None of them can cook like me. And none of them can like me. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know.
Damn, babe. What one I know?
The hairdresser them stand up on the street. If you want the real ear, them have the link to get it cheap. I'm a make your coronation market. You have your Chris Carriage and no favorite pocket. The price them down are cheaper than supermarket. It on our one day you buy from Miss Margaret.
Oh, you mean? So all about crush out everything over this tomorrow night.
Swash me thing then. Them have top crew on the road.
Copy them a copy stole up. Thief them thief this style. Like some boy thief my style. Oh, you mean? Some big dub place for just play and bust off some boy face over there. Oh, you mean?
I'm the business who I say, you know. I love Benzly, me say. Remember me tell you that, yeah? Kingston 20 little giants are going to take over the world. Remember me tell you that.
Big and serious. You know, say that's a year thing that's still in the DJ.
No, I know why you know. Same one. My girl has a lockdown. You don't know about them things, you know.
Can't go and talk, man. You go like I alone and get listening.
Go
on, man. You know, say what's that. But we are going to reach out the dance and we're going to see what go on. That me I tell you how you mean.
Alright, this is she not gonna want a youth, you know. And next one she want. So when the man go come and propose,
alright,
after the man
stop telling me the show, no man. Stop telling me the show, man.
But she never fight over. Alright. Too much 30 minutes.
She look nice still.
Yeah.
But she not act like you. You tell you know. You tell you, man. No.
No man, God no I. That sounds serious.
Mr. Weatherburn, what you want?
What's the likes of you doing on my property? Remove yourself immediately. I'll have the authorities remove you.
Hold on, your property? Listen, today make 1 week I live in here. And you come in my apartment and mash up a party the other night. That not right?
Clearly, I need to have a word with my niece about her method of choosing tenants. Look, I'm here to serve you notice. You have effective today 1 month to vacate my property.
You take big man for fool, though. Yo, I talk to your niece, Michelle. She will show you the lease for 3 years when I sign. I'm gonna pay my first and my last. Plus, I even come up and give her a 6-month deposit. Remember, I tell you. So that if you know, and if you know, you better go find the next week or go and back up, yeah? Little more.
Like mother, like son. Watch me and them. Wait a minute. Did he just say 6 months up front?
Yeah, man. I know it would take a little time for you to register still. Oh, look here. See this? These are the lease. See? And this is my receipt. And you notice it says 6 months rent paid, alright? So, if I was like you, I'd allow me to go back into my apartment and chill.
Well, young man, can I have a copy of your documents? I'll have them back to you as soon as possible.
Your check's a big man a fool. You hear me say? This is my copy. Get your own copy. You think so my mother is an idiot, don't you? And that you think? You got a different dream.
Yo, Benzly, the dove them mad. Wait till I draw them there tomorrow night. But days for make Benz and the rest of them hear them to play them tomorrow night.
Alright, mad thing. That means I have to get some new gears then and things to dance, yeah man.
What you mean? No normal. No Benz man no normal, you know. We are star, a peer star there so. From little Aga Benz to Smiley Jet. Star. Right now, need some new gears for tomorrow night. Richi my designer there. Yo, Richi.
Yo, where you say, fella?
Yes, I think they're ready for tomorrow night.
Oh, yeah, time, man. From last week, them they're ready. Them just want the man and come in and just do a nice little fit up and I'm sure everything alright. You see me?
A lot of go on, eh? Benz arm in full effect.
Yeah.
And we are the wickedest artists, them. And we are the wickedest designer, them. And we're going to show them, say, we are the wickedest sound. Listen, me, Richi. Say, if you don't believe in yourself, no one will believe in you. All I know, say, if you play what you are them right, you can beat the whole of them sound there tomorrow night.
My youth, I stone love that you know.
And so, them can dead too.
Tap my nights, yeah, come forget some madman me I talk to. Wait, him. They never this time.
And we are the smallest sound. That means we are the underdog. So we will show them what we come in it. Them they have a clue. We have some new tune from Spraga too. Tomorrow night, a murder.
Alright, madam. Me hear you, man. Me hear you. Me know you stay already when you catch a vibes already, you know. You argue with you, yeah. Little bit, yeah? Later. Yo, Richi, look here. Talk about something. That's a bit. Here we are, one. I want some new wares enough for this thing I will come up here, man. I want something different. Come on, I want look like nobody else. You know, I want some different things, different beats.
Yo, I have a mad image in my head from long time, dog.
Alright. Add that then. So we can come link it tomorrow.
Yeah, man, you're good.
Link it tomorrow, alright.
Yeah, man.
Tomorrow, I'll link it tomorrow morning.
Yo.
I'll link it.
I'll go.
Yeah.
And the other day, that demon Spawn had the nerve to slam my door that I worked so hard to get in my face. Talking about for him in my apartment.
Rank. You know, so when they look like them giving you a day in hell. But let me try to help you. You know, so fortunately I have a rental agency. I can start with the collection of the rentals for you, you know.
You do?
Yes, man. You know, I will even reduce my usual fees to only half of the first month rental of each apartment I rent for you.
But, Grabsy, I didn't know you have an agency. You're a multifaceted chap indeed.
Yes, but you know what them say on the streets, man? Daddy Grabsy have
the what? Greed?
No, man, nothing like that, man. The links, man, the links. Daddy Grabsy have this tragedy and the logistics to deal with any matter.
That sounds good. You know, it will really help me out a big deal, you know, but I'll still collect the rent because I'm a man who likes to be in the field because I like to pick and collect my own corn.
You know, actually, I was just gonna suggest that you just throw up a little contract, small contract, and let you just deal with some paper, you know, just to make everything legal. And then you don't know, boss, business is business,
that's right.
Man. And you know what? Them guys having to jump up around the road later, you know. Why you don't put on some clothes and make them go around like a fling 2 legs and all them things, man?
That sounds good. Tell me something now, will there be any sexy ladies there?
No mention that, you know what me say? Me did say enough man there, but a woman I got dead.
Good.
Business is business, you know, man.
Yes.
Right. Later.
Macka! Yo, Macka! Can't bet you say this boy inside there asleep. Never see nobody love them bed more than a youth. Macka! Yo, Macka, come on to your bed now, my youth.
Yo, what that for my youth? Come on, man, you ought to make up a bag of nice.
My youth asleep inside a sleep out your life. And I don't have time for that. Yeah, man, say. Wanna know how the car stay for later, cause wanna take out a cat and thing, you know? Macka! Yo, Macka, stop your dog grumping on my youth. Macka!
I've seen my come pick you up. One drive. Flex.
Yeah, no. Work thing.
Yeah, man. But we can get that drive for the girl them still.
Alright. Make sure, you know. And you know about the sleeping thing again, you know. Hear that?
Where we are going?
Jacket here with this.
Take it off.
Just like that, take it off.
Just
You know
like
good.
that. No.
Maybe you're right. And I'm so excited to see, man. Help me on now.
What?
Oh, me look trash down.
Trash is the word. How are you going on that? You try to go to that before the 1980s come back, come arrest you.
Well, from here, actually, you're not hot stepper like me.
Oh, my belly!
Well,
Oh, God. But now look at you.
Oh gosh, you're really my friend, you know, man. Hey, well, thank you. Thank you for suggesting this, you know, because I feel good already. Aye. Maybe tonight I might find a little boy toy.
Welcome back, Beatrice. Long time, it's about time.
Come hurry up, man. I don't want to miss nothing, you know.
Yeah, tell me, hurry up and stop the ramping. Yeah, try and everything. Come and hurry up and left.
Fix this to me, no?
Watch the links! Hey, roll up the rings. From Mardi Gras, South Beach, Jamaica. We're party freak.
You know, say you're real old junk, and what that now?
Boomerang?
Which one?
What me don't know any one of them was sponsor away. Oh, I know say a boom at the thing. Yeah man, pour it out. Don't watch your girl, this is how we have spotlight. Hey, I'm coming out, so I still have it in the edit. Watch you.
How can I say you them a look for? You figure that usually black traffic in them days then?
You try one.
No, sir. Thank you, bartender.
See that now? Yeah, so it nice now.
Cheers, my friends. Yes, yes, I go,
Ladies, what you having? What you drinking?
Oh, this is nice, yeah? I haven't been out in a while, you know. Shake my legs, get jiggy with it.
Winnie, how them two beautiful young ladies over there just tear down the... And them know them thing too.
Oh my God. Yes, they look nice, yeah? But wait a minute. Isn't that,
Wait, no Beatrice that. Oh. Winnie, no precious that.
Oh, bollocks.
Man, Winnie, how you really make that drop out of your hand, man?
I don't know. Guess my hands are too small. Let's fall up.
God no. Take it little.
I wouldn't feel like if you grew up in the inner city, you can't read and write.
It's a box him want in him face. Forgive documents so him can copy them. I want to him.
You know, so the joke is, him genuinely believes say, and look like him surprised when him see the lease. Yeah, man. Like I'm a big fool, you know. Or him agent or rob him blind. One of them. Yeah, man.
You know you're right. Because why am I not ask for a copy?
Fool.
And if him agent there work proper, he would have all of the paperwork them and he wouldn't approach us, sir.
Fool, man.
I idiot that man. You know see who him a par with? Grabs of all people. You think him see nothing yet? Wait till Grabs get a hold of him.
I feel bad for him though. Maybe we should have warned him about Grabs, you know. The Bible says we should be kind to dumb animals.
My youth. Even we tell him a detail, step by step, how Grabs is there. You think he might believe we? You know how that? Yo. You think him better than him good, but nice.
You say left him make him meet him Waterloo, man.
Same way. That me say. I'm good.
Just
Long talking. Yo. You know something say, no? Idiot.
Innocent in the ghetto when me cry. Girl, I know your fault. Make man choose you and leave them sad in your personality. Yeah, that grab him. After you never lick him nine head and drag him. I saw my meet to today, tomorrow. He's a good Ben Latin.
So, I want to clash and start that.
Anytime they're ready. How does they go and juggle some half an hour vibes? Go and build a vibe, let's see.
No, man.
As far as we see it, we are lead so far. We have the most vibes. Feel it on Charlie Dog box, you know. Most 45.
Yeah.
Have the girls them dancing.
I see it, man. Yeah. Anything else I come in with, you know. But,
Your family. What that going over there, sir?
Oh. Look like some old foot, some tea, I go and break some vibes. You know, you see me come, look at pray over them, man.
You said that? Me not think I can like that show that at all.
How?
Maka,
Why?
what are we doing over there, sir?
I'm too not fool hour, man. Yo.
Boy,
Feel me a fool, man. That's why I'm going.
it look like a two. A whole foot of dash out our youths over there, you know.
My,
Clumsy. You know say you like mature woman. Come now.
my youth. Come go look and see what I go. Maybe we can find something to take away when we are fool.
Representing for the ladies, old school style. Let me see the gal them, we can hold them on there. When you only can ride it like a donkey. He must say him love this up.
Mommy! How we at? Pull up that, man. How we are deal with? Yo, pull up that, man. Pull up that. Yo, my youth. Go. Yo, how we not deal with?
Easy.
Sexy creature.
Yo, man, come on, mother that you know, what you talk about? You lick it, yo.
Junior, just easy, no baby, just easy.
Yo, me licking it. Hey, what I'm here, man.
Oh, you want to interrupt me.
You know what? You're in a hurry? And we must say,
Junior, just easy, no baby.
Yo.
No bother with that, man.
Are you cause this, you know?
Take your hands on my face. Take your... Boy, I will lick you in your face, you know? I will palm my shoes and lick you. That's if it's how we attack the boy. You must be the way that wet your bed. We attack too.
Come, Junior.
You try one woman. You try one woman.
Yo.
Go on, man.
Junior,
You have too much war.
So we have to drive again. But you see before me drive again, are you set it? So say something.
Yeah, man, for real. See? Hey, man, see this right now. Yeah, man, I make an early talk, say what? Man, I hear tune and war and all them things there. Yeah, hear me? We never want the arms to start yet, you know. But, hold on, see that thing.
Bang!
Well, now, oh, they're not known.
Andre! Release neutral and drive again, Jigsy. Go and take them, the Andre can kill them.
Hey!
All I got is for you have your dive and bed. Hey, we have played some Labens artists. What will let through the game? Some youth and mash up Suzette through them. I'm my star. Yo! Marvelous!
Look up on the stage, it's a bird, it's a...
See my Marvelous!
Me tell you daughter, a clumsy dancer chatter. I just wanna take some time to dig up some of my day for
And B, she said, sister, we still got it. See the whole of the young boy, them a rush way. How they say, we run up.
No, one foot is turn up.
Oh, sorry. And tell me something. Is what MC did that thing when he rushed the boy. He never afraid him crush him.
Tell us something, man. Don't underestimate my boy, you know. This when him vex, him come like him a double straight. Why me not say nothing? Cause I mean get that temper there from. I know if me head not ready already.
Yes. I remember when you and Dougie beat up the 19 people them from Melbourne. When the family rushed you because you box to come and after and try to touch you. And I tell you, yo, I swear it was a movie me that watch.
Me tell you something, man. Some man forget Koof. And the too bright. Why Dougie, man. God rest him soul. Hey, him did have a piece of temper there. My God, but he was a real gallus.
You like him? Don't go on.
Yo, Nico.
What going, brother?
Father Power want to talk to you.
Yes, sir. Me here what go on. I need two of them dub the way you get Labens, you know. And two more things where them not have. Cause you don't know no little sound not supposed to jump up in a stole of face, so. You understand? So make sure you deal with the thing proper. Here.
Hey, so them a shopping up foreign and can't look better than you. Don't go shopping, don't go shopping. Them shop at New York, Paris and London, still a get two. Don't go shopping, don't go shopping. You buy one uptown, downtown, say you woulda get few. Don't go shopping, don't go shopping. And when you step out the road, them swear say you're muggling crew. Don't go shopping, them alone. Because where you put on your downtown boot and your hairstyle they were well cute. Man no stop, them a toot. Cause you know downtown man a true.
And when you want by the dopey eyelash and the sweet perfume body wash and the powder for the oh gosh and the long nail fi crab up me back.
Because your shoes up and match with the jeans and cap and rose gold chain with the Gucci watch. From Louis wear you off in a that to every new beat, to every new chat. Girls I'm look on the pine cause they hot. Enemy a pre and a Swiss and I watch them up fi catch the thing when them they stagger back. I wonder fi them and them with the girl them na them lap. On every smartphone, upon every laptop. The girl them just a bubble and a wine and a shop. Only downtown you see vibes like that. So them a shopping up foreign and can't look better than you. Don't go shopping, don't go shopping. Them shop at New York, Paris and London, still a get two. Don't go shopping, don't go shopping. You buy one uptown, downtown, say you woulda get few. Don't go shopping, don't go shopping. And when you step out the road, them swear say you're muggling crew. Don't go shopping, them alone. Come and make you down a Princess Street. They saw the artist hairstyle, them a be.